Hi, for all of you that are trying to work on your car at home by yourself, here's a little tip or trick for getting cotter pins out when you find a cotter pin that's all bent, out of shape, and crazy like this with lots of rust. All you need is 3 tools: needle nose pliers, a hammer, and a little nail. Get this cotter pin out in a snap. So first you squeeze these little suckers together, and then take your hammer and knock it out just so that the head of the cotter pin can be seen. Put the nail inside the head of the cotter pin. Might need just a little bit more room here. If you have enough room to get your needle nose pliers in between that cotter pin and the nail, you can continue to hit the cotter pin out on the needle nose, and there she goes.